Hello and good morning. I'd like to talk to you today about a little program called 375 Cash Daily, where you can get started for just $3.75. It's such an affordable program that everybody can get involved. You'll get paid instant 100% commissions in a reverse two-up marketing plan. And as you can see, you can start out at the $3.75 level and then upgrade to the 25, the 40, the 60, the 80, and the 100 out of profits. And here's how the reverse one-up marketing plan works. Your first person you keep, the second person passes up, the third person you keep, the fourth person that you sponsor passes up, and from number 5 on you keep all the money. Now here's where it gets really interesting. All of those people that come up to your front line and those that you put on the front line, they owe you 2 people. So as those people come up to the front line, they owe you 2 people. And as those people come up to the front line, they owe you 2 people. And so on through all the generations of where this program goes through the generations of people that share it. So at $3.75, we have a very affordable program here that you can get started very easily with a 100% uh, pass entry of $3.75. And as you bring people in, they do a 100% commission to you of $3.75. So very easy to understand. Get started today. My link is right below this. And also check out my blog. Have a great day.